Dancehall artist Macka delivered a show-stopping performance during her stints in Costa Rica. She delivered a slew of her hits in San Jose, Limon, and Turrialba, following a meet and greet with her fans. The Sinjay first made her debut in the country back in 2019, 3 years after the release of the track Play a Tune, which is a DJ Cross dubplate turned hit, which was well received by fans in several Spanish and French-speaking countries. Macka spoke with E-Prime on the reception she received in Costa Rica.
Costa Rica has become my home musically, and I was overwhelmed. I'm still shocked by the love I'm receiving from Costa Rica. I'm walking the streets, and these are young people. They were stopping in the highway on their cars. They were just, oh, Macka, Macka, Macka. And they're young people. They don't care. They love me. This love is real. It is like when I just got my first number one.
Macka is also gearing up to release her EP dubbed Diamonds in the Rough. She shared the inspiration behind the new project.
My inspiration behind my EP is that after all this long drawn out COVID and thing, I think people would love to hear a story about me. They just don't want to hear one single. So I don't want to drop a single. I want to drop my EP, and I'm looking forward to drop it right after the summer ended, when everybody relaxing now, and they want to hear something to refresh their mind after the long summer excitement. So the EP is really inspired by me in the lockdown, and I get a lot of time to record a lot of songs and put them together.
The EP is slated for release in August. Macka is known for the hit songs Bonem, Dai Dai, and Kofoot, among others. On the international scene, Atlanta rapper Young Thug was arrested on Monday on gang-related charges after being named in a sweeping grand jury indictment in Georgia. He has also been charged with conspiracy to violate a federal law to combat organized crime. The rapper was among 28 people allegedly associated with the Atlanta-based Young Slime Life YSL gang. Rapper Gunna was also named in the indictment and reportedly turned himself in to authorities yesterday. Young Thug is being held in Fulton County Jail and was due to appear in court on Tuesday. Entertainment mogul Sean Diddy Combs has announced the launch of a new R&B label called Love Records. According to the announcement, the new label will be dedicated to R&B music and will release singles and collaborative projects from a collective of world-class artists, producers, and songwriters. An album by Diddy himself will be Love Records' first project, set for release this summer. Combs will also continue to oversee his long-running Bad Boy Entertainment label. The partnership is a one-album deal with Motown Records. And Adrian Gordon reporting for E-Prime.